Food.
Bread.
Bread. Bread. Bread can be brown or white, depending on which flour is used to make it.
Egg.
Egg.
She cracks many eggs to make a cake.
Pie.
Pie.
A pie
Noodle.
is usually
Noodle.
baked in
Have
an
you
oven.
ever tried noodles?
Bread.
Do you like them? Bread.
Egg.
Egg. Pie.
Pie. Noodles.
Noodles.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Quiche is a type of pie made with eggs and cheese.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Jane feeds her brother strawberry yogurt.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza is round and cut into slices before it is eaten.
Cereal.
Cereal.
Cereal. Cereal is often served with milk.
Pizza.
Pizza. Cereal.
Cereal.
Vegetables.
Tomato.
Tomato. Tomato.
Tomato juice is delicious and good for your health.
Potato.
Potato.
The woman is peeling the potato.
Carrot.
Carrot. Carrots are root vegetables that grow underground. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
The cook cuts cucumbers into slices. Tomato.
Tomato.
Potato.
Potato. Carrot.
Carrot.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Can you point to the cabbage in the fridge?
Spinach.
Spinach. Spinach needs water to grow. Bean.
Bean.
There are many different types of beans.
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Spinach.
Spinach. Bean.
Bean. Broccoli.
Broccoli. Broccoli.
It is nice to eat steamed broccoli. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin. We decorate pumpkins on Halloween. Broccoli.
Broccoli. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.